Okay, my friends, I have been in preparation all night long after having used my third eye. It comes to my attention that we must do a spell. I'm going to use an ancient device and a newer device. The ancient device will be my wand, whereby I will direct the energy through my hands. And the newer device is this. This is a vacuum. This spell involves using one's magic wand, which is an extension of my arm and my hand, to capture the impurities into a kind of spell jar and then expel them against my opponents in the environment, namely the trash can. Expelliarmus!